Hello everyone and welcome to my shop. My name is Norm and today we're going to use my toolbox I've had for 20 plus years and we're going to work on some tool organization using these wonderful new magnetic socket storage units by Olsa Tools. Now, I've been a heavy duty mechanic for 28 years and I've set up my tool storage as I did when I was an apprentice, and it's never really changed. We need to be mobile, we need to be able to pull our tools around. We don't get to set up a giant hutch and a humongous massive storage box, just because we just had to be able to move our tools around. And I like to work from height on the heavy truck, so everything is accessible, everything's up top. Here is what we're dealing with. This is the top of my toolbox and all the sockets I own, plus 3/8, quarter, half-inch ratchets. And it's just, I understand it because I've used it for so long, but if you look, it's kind of, if you imagine, this is imperial, this is metric. Another problem I'm hoping to overcome is orphans. I got lots of orphan sockets that have no home. I hope to keep those organized, spares and little doodads that I have and need or think I need. I like to keep them around. So what I'm hoping is the solution from Olsa with all their magnetic storage trays and half-inch, 3/8 and quarter will be a nicer, easier way to manage all my stuff and keep it neatly organized. Let's get after it. Real world experiment. Well, that was embarrassing. I have a lot of stuff. But like I said, I've had this toolbox since 99 or something like that. And that is the first time I've ever emptied out the top of that thing. So I'm also gonna take this opportunity to throw out some of these stragglers. There's a lot of stuff I don't need. There's kind of an abundance of extensions that are duplicates. You can see everything out on the bench. There's some wasted space, like these bins here. They're big and they waste up a lot of space. So we're gonna try to get rid of some of these orphans, some of the specialty stuff. Let's see how it goes. And I also want to do something with all these bits. They're homeless and falling and irritating. These are the Olsa Tools high capacity magnetic base double row socket holders. I got a crap ton of them because I got a lot of sockets. And for those hex bit holders, I also got these magnetic hex bit holders, which I kind of like the idea of sticking them up there. I also grabbed some of these magnetic wrench holders, screwdriver holders, but I think I'm going to use them kind of up here for all my extensions and ratchets because I have the privilege of owning my own shop, so I don't have to close my toolbox and lock it up. And that's it for me. I'm going home now.